Hi friends, how are you? Setting the reverse DNS or the PTR record is one of the most important factors when it comes to sending emails and delivery. So you need to set up a PTR record for your server. What is PTR or the pointer record or the reverse DNS? Simply, it's the reverse of the DNS. What is the DNS? It's the system that allows you to point names to IP addresses. But what is the reverse? The reverse is when you call the IP address, it must retrieve your server name, your domain name. So to implement this, you need to enable RDNS or PTR record. In this lecture, let's see how to do this on both DigitalOcean and Amazon Web Services. And if you are using another companies like Contabo, Hostwind, or whatever company you are using and you need help, please contact me and I will try my best to find how to configure RDNS on your company by maybe contacting your company, or if I have experience in it, I will tell you how. So don't worry, we will help each other to find solution for any company you are using here. I will start with DigitalOcean because it's super easy. You need just to go to your machine where your server is installed. Let's say this is my machine, open it, and simply click on its name and set its name you want. Just set the name here. When you set the name, you will wait a little bit and the PTR will be configured. Then you can go to networking section here and go to PTR records and you will find each IP and the PTR record that is referring to. In this way, you will set reverse DNS inside DigitalOcean. What about Amazon? Amazon is somehow more complicated. You need to go to this link here, this form, and submit it to Amazon in order to configure RDNS and open the sending limits on its machines. Don't worry, I did this a lot before. Just set the use case description that you have a server or maybe a website and you need to send transactional emails, marketing emails. Just explain what you are doing in this form. And then you need to point the two elastic IP addresses that you have on your server. So simply go here to your instances and copy your IPs. Just right click, networking, manage IP addresses. Just copy the elastic IPs, set them here and set the DNS record you want to point to, which is your subdomain. In our case, it's server2.xmailing.me. Just submit this form and they will reply maybe in the same day. I submitted this yesterday and they replied in the same day and opened my limits and set my RDNS record. So it's somehow simple. Just fill this form and submit this request. If you need any help, I will be here anytime to help you. That's it for setting RDNS or PTR record. Please, it's very important to set it to get high sending score and reach the inbox. In the next lecture, we will talk about the MX record and how to set it in your domain zone. So stay tuned and follow up.